AI agents are changing everything right now, and LangGraph is the framework powering them all. So what exactly is LangGraph? And why is everyone in the AI world suddenly talking about it? LangGraph is a powerful framework from LangChain that helps AI agents think step by step. Instead of just answering one question and stopping, it allows AI to plan, reason, and work through complex problems in a structured, intelligent way. Here's what makes LangGraph completely different from normal AI. Regular AI gives you a single response and stops. But with LangGraph, your AI can make multiple decisions, loop back, use different tools, and continue working until the entire job is done correctly. LangGraph connects three incredibly powerful capabilities together. First, tools. Your AI can search the web, write and run code, call APIs, and interact with external services. Second, memory. It remembers previous steps, past conversations, and full context. And third, reasoning. It thinks logically and makes smart decisions at every single step of the workflow. This powerful combination makes LangGraph AI systems dramatically more capable and more human-like than standard chatbots. They do not just answer your questions, they actually work for you autonomously. That is exactly why top developers and companies around the world are talking about LangGraph right now. Google, Microsoft, Meta, and hundreds of fast-growing startups are all actively building AI agents with it. The future is AI agents. This is not just a small trend. It is going to become a multi-billion-dollar industry within the next few years. AI agents will handle complex workflows that used to require entire human teams. If you want to stay ahead in AI and build the next generation of intelligent applications, you need to start understanding LangGraph today. Follow for more AI content every single week.